To maintain optimum hydration, it is very important for our immune system to function well. What do you understand by optimum hydration? 8 glasses, 10 glasses, or 12 glasses? In fact, there is no such criteria of fixing the amount of water. It's based upon many factors like physical activity, outside temperature, the kind of meal you have taken, etc. Then, how will you check whether you have taken the adequate amount of water or it is less or it is excess? The best indicator is our urine color. If your urine color is transparent or it is slightly pale, it means you have taken adequate amount of water, you are properly hydrated. But if your urine color is pale or dark pale or yellow, that means you are dehydrated. You need to add some water in your routine. So always go in that way. Don't count the number of glasses. Just check how much your body is demanding, because that may vary from day to day, from weather to weather, the things may vary. So this is the best indicator that you are taking care of the urine color to hydrate yourself. I hope this thing is clear to all. The best drink on the earth is plain water. It is our body's basic necessity. Our body is made up of at least 60 to 70% of water. But in present time, we are exposed to many such drinks which are harmful for us. Let's first talk about the fizzy drinks and carbonated drinks. They are loaded with sugar or artificial sweeteners. They are loaded with phosphoric acid, which may lead to osteoporosis. They are loaded with caffeine and food colors. All these additives, instead of hydrating us, are more harming our body. If we talk about packed juices, they are nothing more than a concentrated flavored sugar syrup. And we already discussed about the side effects of taking excess sugar in our diet. Our young generation is more attracted towards the energy drinks, assuming them as a healthy option. But the kick which an energy drink is giving you, that is not due to its the beneficial effects. It is due to the caffeine, it is due to the sugar, which already we discussed are not good for your health. So refrain yourself from all these drinks as far as possible. They should be occasional in your lifestyle, they should be occasional in your routine, but it should not be an everyday practice that you are taking fizzy drinks with the meal, packed juices, energy drinks. I have seen people using everyday routine, but that will be highly inflammatory because of the preservatives, because of the chemicals, because of the sugar. So after plain water, the second fluid gifted to us by nature is coconut water. It has many health benefits. Its potassium content will help you in getting rid of water retention. It is also helpful for hypertension. It lowers down the blood pressure, and it is also tasty and freely available to have. So switch on to coconut water in place of the harmful drinks. If you're taking homemade lemonade, that will also infuse a good rush of vitamin C inside. Freshly squeezed juices, fruit juices or vegetable juices are still a better choice than the packed ones. But as a nutritionist, I always recommend to have whole fruits and whole vegetables rather to make them in juice form. Chach or buttermilk is our traditional drink. Chach and buttermilk is also have some amount of protein and some amount of fat and some amount of calcium is also there. But we are not talking about the packed one. We are talking about the homemade chach. Packed may have again preservatives, may have some salt in it, may have some other things which are not good for our immune system, which are not good for our health. So it is very easy to prepare chach at home. You just take 50 gram of curd, add 200 ml of water and mix them well. Your chach is ready. Avoid adding salt to it, just add roasted cumin seed powder to it for the taste. Kanji, Sattu, Ampanna, these are also our traditional drinks which are good for our health. Kanji, we already discussed. Sattu, made out of chana flour, roasted gram flour. This is also high protein in nature and it's a new energy drink. Ampanna we must consume during the summers, that is, it keeps our body cool. Lastly, we have green teas and herbal teas to hydrate ourselves. We all know they are rich in antioxidants and so many other benefits of green tea or herbal tea is there. So you can choose any kind of green tea or herbal tea based upon your requirement and it will add to your hydration as well. So limit the consumption of fizzy drinks and move more towards the healthy drinks.